Today we discussed 3-point formulae. Here 3-point formulae have two formulas. First one is 3-point endpoint formula. 3-point endpoint formula is f dash of x naught equals to 1 by 2h into minus 3 into f of x naught plus 4 into f of x naught plus h minus f of x naught plus 2h. Next formula is 3-point midpoint formula. 3-point midpoint formula is f dash of x naught equals to 1 by 2h into f of x naught plus h minus f of x naught minus h, where h equals to xi plus 1 minus xi for I equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. By using this formula we can solve the above problem. So use the most accurate 3-point formula to determine each missing entry in the following table. So table x values 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. F of x values 9.025013, 11.02318, 13.46374, 16.4465. So here we have to find what f dash x value. X values are given, f of x values are given. So we have to find just f dash of x values. So here we can use 3-point formula. Here we have two formulas, 3-point endpoint formula, 3-point midpoint formula. Where we use 3-point endpoint formula and where we use 3-point midpoint formula. For first value and last value we can use 3-point endpoint formula. Middle values we can use 3-point midpoint formula. So solution, given x naught equals to what? 1.11, x1 equals to what? 1.2, x2 equals to what? 1.3, x3 equals to what? 1.4, and f of x naught equals to, here x naught value is how much? 1.11. So f of 1.1 equals to what? 9.025013. F of 1.2 equals to what? 11.02318. F of 1.3 equals to what? 13.46374. F of 1.4 equals to what? 16.4465. And here h equals to x1 minus x naught. We have the formula h equals to what? xi plus 1 minus xi. What is the difference between 1.2 minus 1.1? So 0.1. So h equals to, what is the difference? 0.1. So according to 3-point endpoint formula, according to 3-point endpoint formula, so we can take, why are you taking endpoint formula? Here 1.1 is the endpoint, that's why we are taking 3-point endpoint formula. So what is the 3-point endpoint formula? F dash of x naught equals to 1 by 2h into minus 3 into f of x naught plus 4 into f of x naught plus h minus f of x naught plus 2h. So here x naught equals to what? First endpoint, what is that? 1.1. So we have to substitute all these values in this formula. X naught means 1.1, h means 0.1. Next minus f of 1.1. So for f, x naught means 1.1 plus 0.1 minus f into x naught means 1.1, h means 0.1. So f dash of 1.1 equals to 1 by 2 into 0.1. So 2 into 0.1. So here f of 1.11 plus 4 into f 1.1 plus 0.1 how much? 1.2. Next 0.2 plus 1.1 how much? 1.3. So 1 by 2 into 0.1. f of 1.1 equals to what? 9.025013. Next f of 1.2 equals to what? 11.02318. Next f of 1.3 equals to what? Minus 13.46374. By using calculator we can calculate this value f dash of 1.11. Next we can use 3-point midpoint formula. According to 3-point midpoint formula. 3-point midpoint formula. Why are you taking 3-point midpoint formula? Here 1.2 is the middle value and 1.3 is also middle value, so we can use midpoint formula. What is midpoint formula? F dash of x naught equals to 1 by 2h into f of x naught plus h minus f of x naught minus h. So here x naught equals to what? Second value 1.2. So f dash of 1.2 equals to 1 by 2 into h value how much? 0.1. So f of 1.2 plus 0.1 minus f of 1.2 minus 0.1. So we have to calculate these value. We can get f of 1.2 value. Next we can use third value is also what? Midpoint value. So we can use what? 3-point midpoint formula. The 3-point midpoint. Similarly, last value we can use 3-point endpoint formula. Thank you all of you.